Welcome to Grace and Elegance, where every detail is quality, crafted, and carefully planned. I'm at 1745 West End Place in the coveted subdivision of Hidden Glen in Round Rock, Texas. Let's take a tour. I'm Jan Daum, fortunate to be a realtor in Central Texas. Anchored by a dramatic main living area, this beauty in desirable Hidden Glen features a flowing layout, impressive wood flooring, and soaring ceilings. Walls of floor-to-ceiling windows for so much natural lighting and never-ending views of the backyard paradise. And how about this amazing kitchen? The open concept gourmet kitchen boasts stainless appliances, large tile backsplash, granite counters, tall cabinets, recessed lighting, and expansive space for rolling out homemade pasta or cookie dough. Relish the timeless beauty of the classic great room while watching the flames curl and sway in the elegant fireplace. The grand office has a huge arch-shaped window and French doors for the busy home executive. The sophisticated dining room boasts chair rail and crown molding to accentuate the vintage wrought iron chandelier, perfect for the holidays or candlelight dinners. Restore and relax in the posh primary bedroom suite with bay window, tall ceilings, luxurious jetted soaking tub, double vanity, and expansive closet. The impressive curved staircase leads to a handsome game room with custom built-ins. There are 3 more generous secondary bedrooms upstairs, one ensuite, the other 2 bedrooms flow into a Jack and Jill. Look at this outdoor paradise. An enormous backyard with mature trees is the hallmark of this outdoor living space. You'll find a welcoming fire pit for s'mores and Texas tall tales, an outdoor kitchen for the grill master, and a covered patio for al fresco dining. And just look at the sparkling pool and bubbling spa. This is a rare opportunity for you to be the proud owner for this remarkable find trophy property. If you'd like more information, give me a call. See you next time.